Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta penne. First, select a large pot, ensuring it's big enough for your pasta to move freely. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of salt for every 1 gallon of water you're using. This seasons the pasta from the inside out. Finally, place the pot on high heat and bring the water to a vigorous, rolling boil before adding any pasta. Once your water is boiling, carefully add 1 pound of penne pasta to the pot. It's crucial to stir the pasta right away to prevent it from clumping together or sticking to the bottom. Continue to cook the penne for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until it reaches that perfect al dente texture, which means it's firm to the bite. While your penne is cooking, take this time to warm up or prepare your favorite pasta sauce. Once the penne is perfectly al dente, carefully drain it, but remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water. This liquid is a secret ingredient. Now, combine the drained penne with your sauce, adding a little reserved pasta water to achieve a smooth, cohesive consistency. Your delicious homemade penne is now ready to be served. For an extra touch, garnish it with some fresh herbs like basil or parsley, or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve it immediately to enjoy the optimal taste and texture. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.